Hi everybody, Rexy Davis over here once again. I have a great craft for you today. In fact, it's a special request. I just can't resist special requests. We're gonna make a dog today, and it's gonna be the cutest dog you ever did see. Let's get started. We're gonna make it with a toilet paper core. It's gonna kind of match our llama from the other day. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna paint it brown. I got some brown here from the dollar store. Okay, while it's drying, we're gonna make the ears and the tail. I just grabbed a piece of an old paper bag, just ripped it off, grabbed it up. That's all we need, just some scraps. There's your tail. And then I'm gonna make like a Great Dane. So I'm gonna make some sharp ears for mine. You could do this, or you could do whatever kind of ears you want for your dog. You can copy mine if you like. They're kind of leaf shaped. You'll see how they go on, how they get glued on there. Pretty easy. I'm going to paint them brown. I want them to match the dog. Okay, this is dry enough, so I'm going to push it in and make the shape of my dog. Okay, see there? I'm going to draw the face before we paint it about halfway and draw a line because that's about where the collar is going to be. I always like to do it in pencil first. About the center, I'm going to put one eyeball on one side, a big round eyeball, another big eyeball on the other side. The center, you're going to make a nose, one big round puffy cheek on one side, another puffy cheek on the other. Make a big pink tongue, and then a dog tag. And when I paint it, you'll see what I'm talking about. And ta-da, there's your puppy. Okay, I got my trusty hot glue gun ready. I'm gonna glue up his ears and his tail.
There he is. There's your puppy dog craft. Cute, huh? That's a cute puppy. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like me.